Right guys, continuing on from our contraflow discussion, what you'll find now is we're in Leeds, we're on the ring road, what they call Broadway, and you'll see we're on a contraflow system. So theoretically we're on the wrong side of the road, but we're doing it legally. What they do is they reduce your speed, so our speed now is 30, and it's because we're on the wrong side of the road and we're very narrow lanes. So what they've done, they've moved us across and they've told us to reduce our speed to 30. Now we can see the speed limit, as it's 30, it's enforceable because it's a round sign with a red band. That means the speed limit, you must make sure that you do not travel over the maximum. Now what you'd need to do is remain in this lane until you go back into your lane. Then when you move back into your lane, you'd follow the lane markings on the floor. Currently you wouldn't follow the lane markings, so you'd travel over these lines and you'd follow the road ahead. So you still maintain 30 because that's the speed limit they want you to follow. So you'd stay within these lines, you'd continue going ahead, you'd then move into the lane on the left when they tell you. So we can see a blue sign telling us we would need to move to the left. So we can look into our mirror, we know there's nobody there, but there could be some plant machinery, roadworks machinery. Now if there was an ambulance behind you, he would turn off his lights and let you carry on. So the speed limit is still 30. We can see that with the sign on the left. So the speed limit now is maintained 30. We can go into any one of these lanes, they both go ahead. So the speed limit now is a maximum of 30 as opposed to usually 50. So we follow the road ahead and we travel at the appropriate speed. Remembering the speed limit was still 30. Now we haven't seen a speed limit sign, we've just seen a 50 sign there, so we can go up to 50. So we're going to go up to 50 now. Now it was 30, but they've turned the sign off, they've covered the sign, and these signs are clearly visible, so you would go back to this. However, if you saw a 50 and a 40, you would travel at the 40 because it's safer traveling at a lower speed limit than it is traveling at a higher speed limit. So now we're going to move back into the lane on the left because we do not need to be in the lane on the right. So we've checked our mirrors and we've signalled, we made sure it's safe, and we came back into our lane. And that, my friends, is how we deal with a contraflow system with the reduced speed limit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to sub.